So here welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can update the email account associated to your Steam account. You can update your email address multiple times in your Steam account if you may have been lost the access to your previous email account. So you can change the email address in your Steam account. So in order to change the email address in your Steam account, you just have to simply open the client of Steam on your PC. You can do the same process on Mac OS as well. Just simply when you open the home of this Steam client, just simply click on the option of Steam at the top left corner. When you click on this option, you will see an option of settings over there. Just simply click on this option. When you go there, you can see at the account section at the left window, you can see at the account section you'll see your email address over there, written over there. Now in order to change the email address, you can see the option is right there. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see you have two options available right in front of you. If you still have the access of the email account and you are changing the email account, you can request a verification code and that on that Gmail account, and you can enter the Gmail verification code here, and you can change the email address. Or secondly, you can click on this option of I no longer have access to this email address. When you click there, it will ask for your Steam account password. When you write the correct password of your Steam account, the option of changing the email address will appear right in front of you. So by this two method, you can change the email address of your Steam account. Currently I'm not changing because I am satisfied with my current email address. So by this method, you can easily change the email address of your Steam client account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.